What's going on? Trade recap of the day, Monday. Today was a great trading day. 2 trades, 2 wins. Yeah, so let's go over these. So the first one, hair's cooked today. First trade. I really wasn't opposed to shorts just because of all this down below. We were inside this new week opening gap. We pretty much filled it. And I wanted to see some sort of retrace. What do we have? We had this 30-minute imbalance right here. We had this 30-minute imbalance down below. And so I wanted this to be my condition for either shorts to it or longs out of it. I didn't really, or shorts from it if we inversed it to go lower. But I don't really trust shorting the markets that much just because we've been so bullish. But so let's drop down to the 1 minute. Market opens right here, this red line. What do? We first come down to this 1 minute, close at CE, putting in low resistance liquidity with a low leading up to a 30-minute gap. So this is a very, very good high probability place to take a trade. Low resistance leading up to an unmitigated gap will always be the best for your take profit. What do? We come up, we come up to midpoint of the rejection block. Then we inverse 1 minute down to the downside. This is a very high probability trade. I get in early before the candle closes. 1-to-1, quick 1-to-1 risk to reward. Target the 30-minute, bang, done. That was on my Lucid. Didn't take anything on the Apex accounts there. And then after that, and I could show you the executions right here, by the way. I don't know why they turn off. Show executions. Hold on. I'm not sure why they should be there. I took the trade. I'm posting the trade on my Instagram. You can go look, whatever. But yeah, 1-to-1 on this, and then this second one was on Apex, and so took this on both of my Apex accounts. Also on my story, it's all on there. Up $1,000 on there on each account. Up $1,000 from this. 1 minute inversion, delivering out of the 30-minute. We have this sweep here, and then we have. It wasn't A plus because we had this wick, which was more high resistant, but I took this mostly because of how bullish the markets have been. I wanted this high up here at first, but then I just eventually moved my full TP to this wick, just because I don't know. We've been getting a lot of back and forth. So yeah, I think that was a good trade, and those were the 2 trades. So it can be as simple as this. You just gotta be patient for the ones that you find very obvious, and then fade everything else. And then as long as you know what you're doing, which I do, then doing that, adding that layer on top of just fading anything you just don't like very, very much, you can be very, very profitable. Simple as that. And I gotta take that and apply it to absolutely everything, not just like some accounts or this and that here and there. No, it's like you gotta do that everywhere. So those were good trades I liked. I genuinely don't know why the execution marks aren't here. That doesn't make any sense to me, but like I said, go on my Instagram. If for some reason you don't believe me, execution labels. That's really weird. It's genuinely really weird. I've never seen that. But yeah, go look at my Instagram. Anyways, great day. Yeah, be back tomorrow. Hopefully we have a good week.